Does your car insurance go down when your car is paid off? Besides their needs, certain people reinstate antiques car as a leisure pursuit. These antiques car also require insurance cover on them. Your work is to find out the insurance company which provides car insurance for an antique car. There are a number of reasons such owners can provide to support their neglect for acquiring proper car insurance for an antique car, but to be so neglectful is borderline irresponsible. If one is going to invest a great deal of money in purchasing an antique car, then a proper car insurance for an antique car policy will properly complement the investment of the antique car. Not all insurance providers insure all types of cars. There are a multitude of different antique cars, and the totality of antique cars includes exotic cars, military vehicles, motorcycles, tractors, and trucks. As such, different antique car insurance policies will be needed to cover the various different makes and models of cars that are out there on the market. Keep in mind, car insurance for an antique car policy take into consideration the equity value of the cars and vehicles. A person looking for insurance for their vehicle has car insurance for an antique car from which to choose, and sometimes information can be conflicting and difficult to understand. Contractual language in most insurance policies is difficult to understand without an interpreter, and even then the meanings of some language may seem to be contradicted in other areas of the contract. There are many self-determining insurance companies available to buy car insurance for an antique car. While the basic premise of obtaining car insurance for an antique car is the same for all car insurance companies, how they sell the policies, price the coverage, and react to customer claims is what separates them. Car insurance for an antique car must be licensed to sell insurance in the state in which they do business, and not all will be available in every state. Depending on an area's history of claims due to theft, weather-related losses, and driving reputation, a company may decide not to do business in a particular part of a state. Although there is some regulation concerning a company's ability to only service certain areas, these companies lean to focus on antique car insurance and will not cover any other types of cars.